Have you ever been stuck on the side of the road with a broken down car? Or worse, stranded in the middle of a storm without the tools to survive? Well, here's a shocking fact. 1 in 4 drivers will face a roadside emergency this year. Imagine this. You're driving on a deserted highway late at night, and suddenly your car breaks down. No cell service, no nearby help. You're stuck in the dark. For situations like these, being prepared can literally be a lifesaver. That's why today, we're diving into the top 12 emergency car survival gadgets. Innovative tools that are not just clever, but could save your life and your sanity on the road. Whether it's a flat tire, dead battery, or bad weather, these gadgets have your back. Let's get started. One, E-Help Electric Car Jack Kit 5-ton. Forget the days of sweating and struggling with manual car jacks. This electric car jack is here to save you time and effort. Designed to lift vehicles weighing up to 5 tons, it plugs right into your car's 12-volt outlet. What's really impressive about this gadget is how user-friendly it is. Imagine being stuck on a rainy night with a flat tire. Just press a button, and your car is elevated in minutes. It even comes with an LED light, so working in the dark isn't a problem. Something to keep in mind is that it relies on your car's battery power, so having a charged battery is essential. But at a price range of $100 to $120, it's an investment that every driver will appreciate during a roadside emergency. 2. ARB X-Jack Exhaust Air Jack. Unlike traditional jacks, this one uses your car's exhaust fumes to inflate a durable airbag, lifting your vehicle with ease. This tool is a lifesaver if you're driving through challenging terrains like sand, mud, or snow, where regular jacks struggle. It's portable, lightweight, and packs a ton of lifting power. Picture this, you're off-roading with friends, and your car gets stuck in deep mud. With the ARB X-Jack, you can get out in no time. The one thing to watch out for is the airbag's durability. Avoid sharp objects that could puncture it. Priced between $20 and $30 and $70, it's a bit on the higher side, but for adventurers, it's worth every penny. 3. Jump Starter W163,000A Car Jump Starter with Tire Inflator. This compact device doesn't just jumpstart your car, it also doubles as a tire inflator and power bank. Picture this, you're stranded with a dead battery and a flat tire. Instead of waiting for help, you pull out this device, jumpstart your engine, inflate your tire, and you're back on the road in minutes. Its versatility is unmatched. Just remember to keep it charged, as it can only perform at its best when powered up. At $120 to $150, it's a gadget you'll be thankful to have when the unexpected happens. 4. Lifeline 4330AA Road Kit. Every driver needs a good emergency kit, and the Lifeline 4330 AJA Road Kit checks all the boxes. This kit includes jumper cables, a reflective safety triangle, a first aid kit, and a variety of tools, all neatly packed into a durable bag. What makes it stand out is its comprehensiveness. Imagine breaking down on a busy highway. You'll have everything you need to stay safe and visible while waiting for assistance. It's not built for heavy-duty situations, but for everyday emergencies, it's perfect. At $40 to $60, it's a small price to pay for peace of mind. 5. Trojan Portable 12-volt Electric Winch. A powerhouse gadget for those tricky situations where your car is stuck, whether it's in a ditch or on slippery terrain. This winch connects to your car's 12-volt outlet and has the strength to pull vehicles out of tough spots. It's perfect for off-roaders or even for pulling heavy loads when needed. It does take a little practice to set up quickly, but once you're familiar with it, you'll find it indispensable. At $150 to $200, it's a must-have for adventurous drivers. 6. Surviveware Comprehensive First Aid Kit. Safety isn't just about your car, it's also about you and your passengers. The Surviveware Comprehensive First Aid Kit is designed for precisely this. With over 200 medical supplies, all neatly organized in a waterproof case, it's ready for anything. The labels on each pocket make it easy to find what you need, even in stressful situations. It's a little bulkier than smaller kits, but the added supplies make up for that. For $100 to $120, it's an essential addition to your car, especially for families. 7. Gerber Suspension NXT Multi-Tool. No emergency kit is complete without a good multi-tool, and the Gerber Suspension NXT is one of the best. It's compact yet packed with 15 tools, including pliers, screwdrivers, scissors, and more. Imagine needing to tighten a screw or cut a piece of rope during a breakdown. This tool has you covered. It's lightweight and fits easily in your glove compartment, making it incredibly convenient. At $30 to $50, it's a small but mighty tool you'll be glad to have on hand. 8 Twinkle Star Emergency Roadside Flares. Visibility is key during roadside emergencies, and the Twinkle Star Emergency Roadside Flares make sure you're seen. These LED flares are waterproof, reusable, and incredibly bright, ensuring safety in dark or stormy conditions. The best part? They're easy to set up and lightweight, making them perfect for any driver. At $20 to $40, they're a simple yet effective tool for staying safe on the road. Rain-X Windshield Repair Kit. Small chips in your windshield can quickly turn into big cracks. The Rain-X Windshield Repair Kit is a simple yet brilliant tool for fixing minor damage before it spreads. It's easy to use and works in just a few minutes, saving you time and money. While the Rain-X kit isn't meant for large cracks, it's perfect for those pesky chips. At $10 to $20, it's an affordable solution that every driver should have. 10 FOBO Tire 2 Tire Pressure Monitoring System. The FOBO Tire 2 takes tire safety to the next level. This high-tech device connects to your smartphone and provides real-time updates on your tire pressure, helping you avoid blowouts and improve fuel efficiency. It's incredibly accurate and easy to install, though the price, $150 to $200, might feel steep. But for the safety and convenience it offers, it's worth considering. 11 Car Emergencies Multifunction Solar Flashlight. The Car Emergencies Multifunction Solar Flashlight is a jack-of-all-trades gadget. It's a flashlight, power bank, window breaker, seatbelt cutter, and emergency beacon all in one. Its solar charging feature means you'll never be without light or power, even if your car battery dies. At $25 to $40, it's a compact, versatile tool you won't want to be without. Finally, we have the SureCan Gasoline Safety Can. With its spill-proof rotating nozzle, it makes refueling easy and mess-free, especially during emergencies. Its ergonomic design is a huge plus, and at $40 to $60, it's an invaluable addition to any car survival kit. And there you have it. 12 must-have gadgets that can make all the difference when you're on the road. Whether it's staying visible, fixing a flat, or powering up your car, these tools are all about keeping you safe and prepared. Which one would you add to your kit? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Stay safe out there.